Sorry, Gabe, you're getting scratched away.
What's going on, everyone? We're here today at the Civic Center here in San Francisco. The city built an entire skate plaza for the skateboard community. It's a wonderful thing, something that San Francisco has needed for a long time, and we're here to show it off, spread the word, and skate it for all of you guys. If you ever are here in San Francisco, please come check it out, show some support, and make sure you take care of this beautiful, beautiful plaza that they built for us. Make us skaters proud, make us look good, and show the city that we need more stuff like this. Let's go.
This is the sickest place ever.
Yeah, it's really cool, huh? Rick?
You know, honestly, this is cool. I like this a lot. We don't have cope ledges, we have rough ground. It's cool. I like this feature, but my eye is on the prize, this rainbow rail. What is that, the UN flag?
Yes, it is.
But I would love to grind around it. I don't know if it's possible, but I'm pretty much only gonna try that. So JD's gonna kill everything else for me.
Fair. All right, JD, it's your call. Where do you want to start?
Should we work that from there and this way?
Sure.
Let's go.
You got board slide on the whole curb?
I want to.
You should.
Let's get it.
That'd be fire. All right, so we got the higher edge here. Gets lower.
This curve is long. It looks fun though.
At least like 50, 60 feet. Get out and play, everyone.
Let's see, I'm kind of scared. Nope.
That was basically a third of the whole ledge, and you were going like not too fast.
Exactly, it's a third. I got a lot more to go.
That's true. Wow.
No! All right, I gotta go fast. It is sticky. Well, not really.
Oh.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Oh my god, it's so slippery right there. It is buttered up at the end. The end is just...
So basically all you got to do is make it through the first part.
Yeah. Dang it! It's just that first part is sticky. Sorry, Gabe, you're getting scratched away.
Yeah!
I almost just died in the middle, bro. I stuck up so bad. That was fire. It's fun. I like how the end is super buttery and the first half is a little sticky. But we made it work. I don't know where we're going next. Can we ask Glow?
Yeah.
Glow!
That is ridiculous.
That's insane.
How's Rick looking? You're about halfway, yeah.
Yeah, easy.
If I could even just go around and kind of come back this way, or just whatever I could really do.
That's actually insane. What the heck was that?
That thing is
Bro, what is that? It's rocketing like a SpaceX ship. Still rocketing it like SpaceX, so that's okay.
Oh, yeah.
Damn, that felt good. That's probably my favorite trick.
Oh, you got bodied, no.
Oh my god.
Ah. Oh, that was it. Yeah. What do you think, Jaden?
It's nice, but I'm not a street skater, so I don't really...
You know what's so funny that you say that is that I feel like this skate park was made for you.
Really? I feel
Yeah.
like it's the complete opposite. I've never really skated street. This is like built for skating, but it's still like streetish.
Yeah.
So I don't know what to say about it, you know?
I feel like you can skate that really well.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Yeah, Ricky.
You could do that.
Damn.
Oh, stay inside, Rick. Oh my
If I
God.
land it right now, the board slide around the whole thing, you pay for my tickets to go to Louis Vert. End it then. That's 80 bucks. Under the belt.
80 bucks?
80 bucks.
You gotta go all the way though.
Yep.
Yeah.
I think you could do it.
I do too. Rick, you're right there, bro.
Yeah, I actually think so.
Oh my gosh. Phew.
Woo!
That's a great question.
Oh my gosh.
This thing is so fun to just whip around even though it's like really hard. Dang.
I think that was like the perfect speed for you.
Yeah, I agree.
Yeah. Oh, what do you think? What do you think of all this?
I think the skateboarders love it, but I think, you know, as an old lady, anytime I try to walk through here, I'm probably going to have to walk around with skateboarders.
I gotta take a deep breath.
No! Oh!
I was counting. I got to 6.
Or not. Damn, Ricky.
Ah!
It's sick here. So much going on.
Oh. Almost there.
Oh, dude, that was it. Oh!
Oh my god, that scares me.
I love the ambiance here. It's like a video game with a bunch of NPCs just going crazy everywhere.
Yeah, reminds me of like Skate 3, Skater XL.
Yeah.
More like Skate 3 though. This will probably be in like session soon enough.
Yeah, definitely.
Right here, I'll give you 20 bucks. Yep, no 20 buckaroonies for you, Ricky. Yeah. Ricky, next try, I'll get you anything you want for lunch. Oh, she didn't want lunch that bad. No! Wow, what was that?
Oh! Hey, the way you landed that was sick though. It's funny, JD was like, I'm not a street skater. I can't skate this park. I was like, JD, this park was literally made for you.
Oh.
The Lighthouse is who owned the Braille House building when we first got it. That's crazy. Small world. I got the angle of angles right here.
Are you sure?
So right here, you gotta land it.
Wow, what is going on? Oh.
That was insane. Forward.
Oh, what was that? I guess I'll take that one.
Rick, you got it?
Yeah, let's do one more.
That's it.
I think I honestly, I really think I can go from there to there. I know how to lean now.
Oh.
Jesus Christ.
Wow. Wow.
Yes!
Oh, I might have fried it.
Come on, JD.
Right
Should I
there.
do one more? Should I really try to go exactly to the start?
You could.
If you want to.
All right,
Well,
that
here's the
pole-
question. If you look on social media and see someone does the full 360, he's gonna piss you off.
All right, JD, go a little bit further away.
It's a real game. No. Yes, sir.
Hell yeah. Let me see this.
Yes. I think that was 100% it.
Should I do one more?
How are you?
Been great, been great.
What's up, my guy? How are you? Good to see you. Yeah!
That was clean.
That was
brother,
the
than I thought.
one. Let's go.
Not gonna lie, it was accidentally in slow-mo, but I still got it.
That's good.
What?
That's what I'm getting on. Literally perfect.
Let's go.
Big relief. That shout out to the boys for supporting. Oh my gosh, that was stressful because I'm thinking all the pressure. My phone's running out of battery. I'm running out of space. Gotta get the homies
You're
filmed.
running out of battery on this, too.
We got a schedule to keep. We're currently at work right now. And the spot just opened. And if I didn't do it today, I wouldn't be able to do it tomorrow. Wouldn't be able to do it the next day. Wouldn't really be able to do it. Then I have to go back to LA. Then someone else would do it. And I wanted to do it first because I love SF. And shout out to the skaters who built this park. This is really cool. I like that they're incorporating kind of like street skating with the park with pedestrian area. I think it's really cool. Let me know in the comments, have you ever battled a trick? How long did it take? Did you believe in yourself? Did you triumph it? Because that was really, I was feeling the pressure right there. But I'm very, very happy with that. That's one of the best tricks I've done in a long time. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave in the comments below. Want you to learn how to skateboard? Everything you need, brailleskateboarding.com. Woo!